It's Wednesday morning, April 7th, and we are headed out for our usual weekly adventure. But first, I'll stop for emergency coconut. Bye. Seahorse number 2 for the year. Pick them up.
Okay, so far pretty sparse, but we'll find the pockets. $29.30. Let's dig this out. Probably a quarter. Looks like we got it. Flip that over. Take one spin here. Okay, it's right in here. I bet I can see it. So I got a quarter right here. All right, everybody, that's the start. Let's keep going. Okay, about 3 feet from our last target. I got a solid 19. Well, let me dig this one out. I'll show you what I found. Okay, got that 19 out. Let's see if it's anything besides a penny. Nope, it's a penny. All right. Let's pull out a 24-25 signal. And I can see it sitting here after I swooshed it, and it's a dime. As it stopped, it said Kathy's on the signal right here. You can see where we're at. Got a little hill here. She's like in a little valley, and there's a little hill on the other side, and stuff is getting washed down in that little black sand area right through there. Just give you a little read of the beach real quick. All right.
Okay, got my first signal for today. Got a little bit of a grunt behind it. Let's see what it is. Okay, I got it out of the hole in 4 scoops, and before I actually swish, look, it's a ladybug. You know, ladybugs are good luck, so let's see what kind of luck this ladybug brings for me for my first target. There it is, right there. It's a quarter. Kind of quarter? I don't know. But it's a quarter. Okay, thanks, ladybug. Ah. Tim and I seem to have found a somewhat productive area of the beach. We just dug a swivel. Took me a moment to understand what he said. And a dime in that hole there. Here's my quarter hole. And right here in this spot, I think I have a dime. So I'm going to get my pinpointer out. And it's shallow. I guess it's, gives me 1 arrow, so that means it's less than 2 inches. And maybe a shiz dug. Not necessarily. Come on. Come on. There you are. There you are. You little old dime, you. You're not going to escape me. So here's what was ringing up as a 10. It's little and it's round and I don't know what it is. I have to clean it a little bit to try to figure it out. Okay, it took me a couple scoops to get down because of course it said that it was deep, and here we go. Here's what's ringing up. 25 to 30. Another quarter. We're good.
Okay, I got a 13 target here, and I think I see it. Yep. And I got a nickel. That's good.
I think I got another dime. Give me a minute or so to dig it out. Because it's, you know, a little on the deep side like usual. Okay? I hit the flip zone. There's our treasure trove over there. I'm in the flip zone. I'll be back. Alright, believe it or not, I got it out in one scoop. And there it is, right there. And it is another dime. Got another dime.
So let me explain to you what just happened here. I got a number 4, a 4 signal. Threw a scoop out, nothing in either of the scoops, nothing listed in a hole again. Grabbed another scoop, threw it out, and I got a small piece of copper. But the reason I'm telling you this is that if you dig a couple scoops, you lose the target, take another scoop or two. You broke the halo around the target, and it's not registering. Just take another scoop and you should have it, which I did. All right, and here's Kathy working towards me. It was raining this morning, and it's starting to get a little nicer out, so hopefully we'll continue to find stuff. We've been finding stuff in little pockets. That's all so far today. That's it. All right, just got myself a seahorse. Little fella didn't make it. He got washed up and over that deep slope, and he ended up here.
Today, I am not just metal detecting. I am rescuing ladybugs. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Talk about ladybugs. They're all over the beach. That's not what I expected to happen. Look at this. So I got the one underneath. Now he's on that finger. And here's another one here. Okay, just call me Critter Kathy. Because that's what I gotta do. I gotta play with the critters besides metal detect. Okay, I guess I better get back to metal detecting. Bye, ladybugs. Bye, ladybugs. Bye, ladybugs.
Okay, different beach. And I got a 28. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Not yet. Okay, this is that 28. Nice looking car. All right, let's keep going. I said to show you what we're doing now. I turn around and I was getting interference getting up by the boardwalk of the games and stuff. So I reduced down. I put the field 1, and I reduced myself down to 15 hertz, and I could show you I could scroll through 20 hertz, 40 hertz, multi. I'm staying out the multi because it's giving me too much noise. I'm going back. I'll hunt 15, I'll hunt 10, I'll hunt 5. It all depends. But 15 seems to work pretty good. All right, then I got a signal here. I'll pull out and I'll show you what it is. I think it's probably going to be a quarter. So that was nice. I thought I saw it sticking out, and it was sticking out. So, all right. Here's the entrance to the beach. Here's my hole, and here's my nickel. Hey, gang. Beautiful day. Finished up our hunt. Didn't find much today, but we'll show you what we found. We had a nice day. It was gorgeous out today.
Started yucky and rainy and overcast.
Yeah. We weren't sure if it was going to clear, but then it cleared. It's in the low 70s, and it's just beautiful. Fahrenheit. And beautiful day. So we'll show you what we on our board here and show you what we got. All right, let's show you what we got here. Glass, aluminum foil, pop rocks. A lot of fun. Stay tab, pull tabs, a couple little rivets, little fishing things, aluminum foil. Dropping down, getting the better stuff. We got seahorse, We got 4 seahorses today. Kathy got this little lanyard here, hair clip. She got a little shiny hair clip. This is a boardwalk token. That's Lex Luthor. I got a car. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters. This one here is a bicentennial quarter. I don't know, we got a mess of dimes there, nickels, a couple nickels.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 dimes. Okay, 8 or 9 dimes.
8 dimes.
Doesn't matter. They're dimes. All right. Now I'll show you what was fun besides my waders leaking and my wet socks. Okay? Coming down, we're going to show you. Today, I found this in the parking lot. Yeah, sure, you can hold it, huh? Yeah. And we believe it's gold. It's ran over apparently like 1,000 times. But we think it's gold, so we're going to test it right now. So just hold on and we'll show you our test. All right, we're going to turn around, scrape what may or may not be gold on here. Looks like gold. And we're going to turn around and we'll start off with 10 carat. Get the bubble out. Right now, looks like that's holding. So let's go to 14 carat. If it dissolves, it's not gold, so. That's 14. Let me try to get a little better light here so I can see it. Yeah, it's starting to run together.
Ram it together here. Sorry.
Yes, maybe it's 14. Now we're going to go 18. And 18, it dissolved instantly.
Okay.
So it's looks like it's 14 carat.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So nice little piece of gold there. I don't know if you can see that because I got them ran together there, but still there with the 14. Looks like you're there with the 10. So, hey man, I'll run it again to make sure. But that looks like to me like it tested for 14 karat gold. So that's a nice little find for a parking lot. All right, guys, that was a nice hunt. Well, you know, beautiful today. Beautiful.
Yep.
All right, guys, take care. Bye bye. All right, everybody. Here's this tiny little piece of gold that we got on our hunt. And we're just going to weigh it. And this is in grams. Just show you how small it is. And it's just over 1/3 of a gram. That's how small it is. Not even a gram. That's okay. We'll take it.